Hello guys. Hello guys. Sorry about that. Uh, I'm back. Okay. So anyway, we're gonna be learning, and so for this code, so remember, go to Python, and this is for Python, and so we're going to be learning about case sensitivity, and so it's where you can learn about how to do like different variables. So let's say in words. So let's say first, so we can do variables in words like this. Let's say budgies. These are birds I like. Okay, these budgies are birds. Okay. Don't say what are budgies. Don't. And then you add these. These things are things that you use when you're typing a word in code. So now, as you can see, when you put an equal sign there, a space and an equal sign, and then another space, and then let me see. Okay, hold on. Okay, anyway, so when you see the equal sign and a space and this, you can see it turned blue, and see it says variable. That means it's a variable. You turn into a variable. Remember, when we did the X and stuff. Remember, you can do variables different kinds you want, but I'll tell you what type. Anyway, so first we're gonna be learning about variables with words. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna write birds. So you know it's birds. And then you write print. You use print in pretty much every single code, I'm pretty sure. And then you type, and then oh wait, erase that. Put the brackets, print these brackets, and then budgies. Because we want to print the variable, so I'll show you when I print it. See? It says birds. See, it printed it out. So that's how you do it in words. So if you want to like print something, you can do that. Now we're going to be learning about variables in different styles. So let me do my birds. This is the first way, equals birds. And let's do different ways. And then you can also do this way. My birds this way equals birds. And you can also do this way. My birds equals birds. Whoops. Yeah, let's this way. Yeah, this way. You can do my birds with the uppercase over here equals birds. You can do all uppercase when you're making variable with words. Whoops. I want to make this uppercase so you guys don't get confused. Just saying, when you add these, you can do like anything you want there, like even make a sentence. So yeah, hold on. Sorry, that was my family member. Anyway, so yeah, you can also do my var equals birds, and you can do my var equal with a number, like let's say 3. See? So you can do it in different type of ways that I showed you. So let's try one. My birds 500 equals this, and equals birds. And then you print. you print my birds because you want to print that variable. Okay? Sorry guys if you hear all those yelling. It's just my family members, so it's just my family, so they're outside my room, so yeah. It says birds. See? It still works. So that's all I wanted to show you. I'll see you later. Maybe next time. So please subscribe to my channel too. I really want you to subscribe. At least we can reach, our high score is to reach up to 10 subscribers for now. So try to help us with that. If any of this helped you, if you're a starter and any of this helped you, please give this video a like and please subscribe, and I'll make even more videos, and then you guys can keep on going. Remember, if you're a kid doing this, or maybe anyone, you might reach a big goal for just doing this. Anyway, bye guys. And oh yeah, and this is called case sensitivity.